PJ. Heyo. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Do the bug. Do the bug. What is today?
Snow day.
Today we have a snow day. So we
get snow today. We have snow in our front yard and our backyard.
Yep.
We're gonna show you guys that when we go play our snow day.
Yep. So can you stop cutting me, y'all?
And we're gonna make ice cream out of snow.
Yeah, we're gonna do all that. So we have all that planned. So we are actually getting ready to put our clothes on so we can go outside and enjoy the snow. So we'll take you along with us in a bit.
And make snow angels.
PJ. Yeah. So this is our snowstorm. So what might seem like nothing to some of you guys, this shuts our city down. Like literally, he threw that snowball at you, Mama.
No, I tried to throw it at you.
But literally, yeah, we just aren't prepared for snow. So we don't have salt trucks, we don't have snow plow. So literally everyone is like in a state of like emergency. They don't go out. We bombard the grocery stores for milk and bread. So it's kind of comical, me being from Chicago. This amount of snow will definitely wouldn't faze us at all. But like I said, for Memphis, this is literally a snow day. Like the schools are closed, everything is closed. But like I said, this is our snow day. So, but I would definitely take advantage of it because I'm at home enjoying it with the kids. So I'm happy. Do you not like the snow? Mumu, do you not like the snow? PJ, say no, I don't like this snow, lady. Say get me inside. Okay. Me too. I thought you would never want to go inside. This is the ice cream. So you ready to be the taste tester?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, I hope it tastes good. You might need to chop a little bit of the snow.
So how does it taste? Is it nasty? Let's see. Let me taste.
You just have a top of the snow.
Let's see. It's not bad. Let it go, Mama. No, no. No, no. No, no. Goodbye. No, no. Goodbye. Let it go. Let it go. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So Doodlebug wants to go sledding, but the only problem was we didn't have a sled. So I googled DIY home snow sleds, and they said you can use a plastic plastic lid container to like your tote boxes. So I said let's try it. So we about to see if this works for our snow sled. We have a little small hill on the side of our house, so let's see. You ready, Buck? For some reason I think it's gonna be really bad. I don't know why. Alright, ready?
Not yet.
You gotta like run and put. Do you know how to sled?
No.
I don't know how to do it either. I think you gotta like run and slide. Yes.
Me like that. Put on around.
You okay? No. Okay. No, it's not gonna work. You need to hold it and slide. This is gonna be so bad. I told you, that's not how you sled. Let's see.
I'm cold.
Oh, I think I won the snowball fight. He's cold. Mom 1, Doodlebug 0. You got the fireplace on? You cold? So we are actually about to eat some popcorn and watching TV and then get ready to go to bed. It has been a long, eventful snow day.
Oh,
Did you have fun on your snow day?
Yes, but our ice cream didn't turn out good.
Why didn't it turn out good?
Because it's frozen in the ice.
It'll kind of be like Italian ice.
Yeah.
It tasted. Hold on. Yeah.
It tasted like regular. It tasted like regular ice cream. It tastes like regular ice cream, Mom.
Yeah, doesn't it? Say?
It tastes like regular ice cream. Taste it, Mom.
Okay.
You're going to love it. Like, you might need to sell this.
I don't think it's that good, but
It is.
let's see. It actually is pretty good.
So our spearmint came out because of Daddy.
Because of Daddy. So our ice cream actually worked. We are about to eat some popcorn. And do you guys put this? Do you put seasoning on your popcorn? You know they have like a lot of different flavors. We love putting the white cheddar.
It's so yummy. You need to buy it. You can get it from Kroger, try Walmart, or you can buy them online.
Yeah, but yeah, this is so good. So we are about to eat this for our late night snack. We're about to eat this for our late night snack.
And we're going to try to watch a little bit of a movie. Subscribe, comment, like. We love you. We end the vlog. We're out here. Deuce. These. I said it wrong.